Hello everyone, this is the Step 16 video. In the previous video, we have changed profile images by using the Gallery app. In this video, we're going to show the profile image on the student list page and create a custom dialog for a profile image. In order to do so, we're going to create a layout XML file for a custom dialog and add a click event to open the dialog on the list page. Let's start the Step 16. Let's create a layout XML file for a custom dialog. I'll name it dialog_student_image. We're going to create a dialog box containing only one big image view. We've added the paddings for all directions and set the gravity attribute as center to locate an image in the center of the dialog box. We've added an image view tag and set width, height, and ID. If there is no profile image in a student, we're going to show a default profile image. So, let's set the default image from the resource folder. In the beginning of this Android tutorial, we've saved some resource files and I set one of those images. Next, in a Java file, we're going to set a profile image on this layout. Plus, this custom dialog will pop up when a profile image in the list page is clicked. So, we need to add a click event on a profile image too, and the profile image is managed in the main list adapter file. So let's open the adapter file. Let's add some codes here. If the value object's photo variable is not null nor empty, that means it has a profile image. Let's show the image. Like we did before, we set inSampleSize 10 in order to reduce an image size. Let's obtain a bitmap image by using the bitmap factory. We've got a bitmap object with a smaller size. Let's check if the image file exists. If the image file exists, let's show it in the dialog box. If the image is not available, we need to show the default profile image. Let's see. If we have a profile image in the database, we will show it. Otherwise, we will just show the default image from the resource folder. We've finished the display of a profile image in the dialog. Next, we need to add a click event on the profile image when users click it. We've added the onClick listener on the image view. Next, in onClick method, we need to initialize the dialog's layout XML file first. We've initialized the layout by using the Layout Inflator class. Now, let's get the image view from the layout. We've got the image view. Now, let's set a profile image on this image view. If a student has a profile image, it will show on the image view with a smaller size. If there is no profile image, we will show the default image. But let's change the default images. Because in the dialog box we show the larger image, we'd rather show the small image for the thumbnail image view. So far, we've set up the dialog layout and the profile image. Now, let's open the custom dialog. We've created an Alert Dialogs builder. Generally speaking, when we use an alert dialog, we can set a title bar and a button area. However, this profile image dialog is only for one big image, so a title bar and buttons are not necessary this time. So, let's skip the settings of a title bar and buttons. Let's just set the inflated view into the builder's content. We've finished adding the click event functionality. Let's test it to see how it looks. We've got the student list page. As you can see, image thumbnails from the database are showing on each student's record. If we click the thumbnail image, we can see it in the dialog box. Because the original size of the images I used are very small, we see the small image even on the dialog box. But if you use a bigger image from your mobile phone, it is supposed to be a bigger image than this. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and wish to see you at the next video. Goodbye.